monte ya itande
ndonere kuinga kwa deputy president kwe rais nkulukia kuinga and teacher of primary school. You see, Bwana Martin ko terminate ngui ya mwarimu wa primary kana inyo secondary. I am a board member wa certain school. Na mwarimu yake akwetho ena in discipline cases. First of all, I served with 3 letters. After 3 letters, na kirespondi aetokere board of management kuidhetera. Board of management ya mwata na makosa bakaandika barua ya interdiction. Andikira barua ya interdiction ikaikwa kwa TSC. Then kwa TSC aeta kuidhetera. Aidhetera muchara yawe no yo reinstated na karwa kinya yura arati. Rarari interdicted. Lakini manto akuriaria the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Ngire na speed ira ba with a supersonic speed. Then I learned that the status quo remains. That once you are impeached, you are impeached. Status quo remains. Rira baragia bakera ya kwagyu. Whether kuina vacant. Kotuekere the status quo remains. That the deputy president is impeached. No tengwe abatere kwe bakerita. To be very sincere. Arekwa impeached and 180 barabaritangwe obisi newe baere compulsorily. Ngari raita. Security raita. Now when it comes to Meru, the governor is impeached. Na kwa ya nampempe, na kwa anga na unjirene,
na usaina budget,
na kurara residence, na wito obisine Q30 na sheria. Nande want to see how the judge or rule about the case ya kawira Mwangaza ukonie manto yara what is the difference between the deputy president na the governor? Kana what the difference between anybody who is impeached or either in judge barasa no kuriga na wetheru ngaingiro ngare emira.
So the difference yoba kwethru difference yoba kwethru mia judge Mrima keite ambarira thomere haraua ati kwina nguira deputy president in president na kwina nguira deputy president in constitution na nguira in president president oba kuyugia ngui ciake akarita aiwe lakini ira ine katiba itiona mtungi okurita okia kwithirwa deputy president yateo. So koni kumaanisha ati no mwankete kithirwa kinekerwa kana kitimbo gya kwithirwa kiri vacant.
What if angavana akaachwa aita akarinya svitare miage leaitu? Do you mean that ngoetia ngavana ira batere kwithwa akirita itiumba kuriteka for those 2 years?
Some of them itiumba kuriteka.
So we are waiting to see. Na hivyo tueterete. We are happy that now Mount Kenya East and the people of Meru, the Lanja Meru, to the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. We are very happy. He is equal to the task. We are wishing him all the best. We are praying for him. But at the same time as our brother and our elder brother and a son from the soil, we want to tell him, personally, in Career Frank, I have then a moral obligation ya go and revise the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, but kuringana na birando mete siasa for the time that I've been there, and kenro mwira nedre na ume yanjoka no kiri yake. Yes, that's what I will tell him. Na learn that office uraithiri to ekari from independence. Na uraithiri to ekarika. Now it is his turn as the son of a reverend, atan all the misfortune ira chithairo ire kire obicira, either ponyo madharau, either kuingwa itarite kinyi, either kudhalilishwa. As the son of reverend, I break the foundations. Ira chithiritwo ire kana halta, kana madhabau. Yara yomba kwithira yo
ayaunange
obicine ayaunange ke nrombana failure to that. Bila ya baba ange bethera baro obicine kinyawe no bio so the most important thing nete aunje ba Meru teba Meru ake nete kinyaba Kenya we lakini charity begins at home nete ba Bishop Buria ba Bishop Imuru ba Bishop Magambo ba Bishop Sami ba Bishop Apostle Mwenda bara aunje bara pa Meru bara the fathers of faith of Meru baite obichina ara ba unange madhabau yara yathangikagia deputy president kenda mwana wetu achinda ke reverend itike wita kuona mathina yara yatwire kuona ibangi in that office.
You say that na ukolwa igachagwa mwekoro ke arari pastor
iteko makani no kwithro you see I had one of the man of God say mwekoro atwire aitu miaka mingi nande we airombera other congregate kanitsene bakaora lakini mwekoroga ate witike no amurombera ora ande no gwithro manto ya karikire kigachagwo na ndrokas nuize kareni ire gachagwo ni irari nyama thabao yetawa national health ira ya ire seti mwekoro ruto anu ibaromba ira inyaru rwena chumbi rukaluka na at the same time kanku atiri mathabao yau ya ngaisha man deputy president Saitoti na deputy president for a short time Mondravandi the same mtori ere at least no kiri kiri teken deputy president mtu ita Kaloso Musyoka etano bato sumbra na mukuru ke bake no nto it was a marriage of inconvenience na batethania lakini no gona Ruto first time aria boya second time angaisha miaka yonde so what I'm saying I am wishing our brother all the best but at the same time kirundu kira kiangaisha man deputy president no mwanka one kanya kakuthale mathabau yau na yaritire sandaka.
Very well. Now we secretary general wa kiama ndene account ya Meru ankwenda kuthomera bora mheshimiwa John Paul Mwirigi arawire
I have seen I have read
very well
arawire
ciama bibo kuwa bubwithia biantora ni ciama bia guchukire babubwengwa ni ciama bia personal interest so gutene tumi kya kwithira kuri na kiama kiantura bobo yete nyuma ya rwari kwithira kiarwa sana the other day medical inturi na aririe na rawa na kwigwa yakare short charged no ntuba kwithira batari na kiama batonere kintu kya kubagin na kiona ni rwari rwithira ichoro rio but John Paul ariwa this is nothing.
Okay bombere bana Martin I respect honorable John Mwirigi Paul so much. Yes, for the last 10 years, not 10, you itite kwa miaka we kumi ya Ruto ngeria ne boy Igembe South. Na thithitira itawa transformative transformation leadership na development chiawe ichithiritwe ikimwariria for the past years irethiritwe imumbunge wa Igembe South except kaitene kalabaringa kura ya finance bill na kinya kure kwinga Gachagua. John Paul has been one of the most and working MP in Meru County. Kiri barabari ko serving for the second term. John Paul aweta mawa tunde is very vibrant because of the KMTC. Tunde John Paul na remerete ara ke president kenda barabarera maybe ya thiru na barabara ingi chionda prioritize chiona ikuthithwa na funding na university ya Chuka University campus yomba kuona chata. Those are some of the reasons why he is still clinging to the presidency. But when it comes to political parties, I want to differ with him 100% and tell him nyumbe ko ekoromba kana kiraro ke koromba bwana Martin kana tuwa kwa Kiswahili nguo ya kuomba istiri matako. And I want to say this without any fear. The reason why Motu Alfred is in the government today ni kari ke amene. The reason why Amason King ora waretere kirithirikare Kenya kwanza kura 68,000 only arithirikare ne na mithika linturi urotura kuurwa na kwa ibisho na we kwa ndene njuma chionde bena Gachagua bate thirikare ne na linturi aenderie kura ngirimana yana na Gachagua aenderie kura almost 300 million bate thirikare ne
sema 3 million
batari na kiama batunde Amazon King waretere kura ngiri 68 only aithirikari ne na mtora wina kura ngiri milioni 3 na maana yana batethirikari tunde Moses Wetangula aithirikari ne Cutters of Fund Kenya na nonto Moses Wetangula na delivery kura cha Bungoma chiombe itumene kathati konde na nge 250,000 na iba signed pact tunde is in government Moses Kuria ne advisor kwamba kwa president era kachagua atemwa Moses Kuria na Nakumicha. I think Moses Nakumicha is more suitable than even Moses Kuria even in terms of miariri but tunde Nakumicha inja Moses Kuria no ntoka makawa ikare au
ne advisor president
ne advisor president atekorewa impia rome bange bakerewa impio it is very important and I am supporting 100% 100% kabisa Meru tuina kiama kimwe kimwe kia inya eka kiama kimwe
but you see ni democracy kwithirwa bwina kiama kiubo kuwa bwina kiama kimwe kana kinya bwina bibingi is democracy but then ni interest yao ya mtoriko mnonto wao turi ariria Gachagua Linturi Moses Kuria these are individuals abara I'm 190
you see Bwana Martin political parties it is the will ira yo yanto benu ya baiki antwana tunde senator wa Marisabit baraba ina kiama ke UNDM I am telling you the truth Bwana Martin they have bargaining power in this government but we are just nothing completely nothing tunde as we are talking Bwana Martin we have this one of the national leaders ura tuenwendene ya thirikari ije ya Uhuru Kenyatta ya William Ruto as we are talking today it is the deputy speaker senate Kathuri Murungi no is ya senate national politically but when it comes to that figure ira chionekana kiraito Murungi kile mimweria muirari and event late Muriungi naito nani huyu was Nodhimenti Murioki that national figure era vibrance ya minister au metendene ya Meru county we are not in the national kabisa Meru is missing in the national picture
Frank
yes
who cares about national figures no wewe na national figures no wewe na Franklin Karuti mwitiari euro nara as long as batwe ni tukuona maendeleo yara tukwenda as you said John Paul ariara kiri president no ntoba kwithirwa ati na kwenda mantuma na abwithirwa ni thirikari na kwenda igembe campus yithirwa yokira na kwenda barabara ya thuru yithirwa yoko as long as abunge babari kiamene kia president na niba kuona maendeleo yara bakureta Meru who cares about national figures
Bwana Martin which development for the last 10 years 10 years yo Uhuru these other 5 years he to equate na president Ruto turianto wa Meru which are the mega project ira tomba wikumeria buru tibala Technical Institute ya Karumo Technical Institute ya Mekindori Technical Institute ya Kaelo KMTC Region nde tutat minor project tulato ayawani thirikari
really
where are the major project
on toiriko
like the Nduo Carrange roads irachi na ara Mount Kenya West utiri kono kwetu my friend see some of the project Russia is launched with the current president in Ara Kisumu and Mombasa. But kono Meru katotora kuina kwaya. We are the prisoners of the president of the day, but they don't reciprocate.
Very well.
But what we are saying is this. When we have a party, a formidable party, iringeri kura MCA bonde for the Kinyake 45 to ina MCA 35 bau meteke ya meneke originated ya Meru na Tharaka Nithi the same na Embu the same tuina ngavana kiamene kimwe tuina senator kiamene kiu kimwe. I am telling you the truth, Bwana Martin, tuakirwa. But I want to tell our people, yes, they love the President William Samoei Ruto. Ruto ethiritwe gikano almost the rest of his life, maisha yawe yonthe Ruto atwire gikano. Na secretary general giama gikano. Ruto yake ODM, I thrive very powerful kiri Pentagon. Ruto umake Pentagon ni ODM ata UDM. Au ma UDM athire URP. Au ma URP athire UDA. Kamo kariata bwenye mama yako bwethi. Bondone no Ruto atora na biama. Ruto is a very smart politician. Yeah. Na antu baba kuromba tutetu baba etu uis no omba kwethwa kinyo kwena Ruto. Ndremena Meru ikiraito na mtu wetu maore mauka. Ibonka basavete many years as Ruto. Na baromberete na maore mauka na baromberete na kiraito murungi. But one of the questions
kiraito murungi na mauka actually barombere bere Ruto.
That is it. Iron kuria atiri. Meake u yonthe Ruto atethwa atena kiama. Lakini babwe kethwa bwina kiama. Why? No ntobo to churia. They are the Ikalenjins neka thoni muiku. Those are the two tribes. Ira cia thite meake u yonthe yathi. Where are we? Why can't Rindikiri, the chairman of the Meru parliamentary caucus, ate kuya awatanithia Meru yonthe as the chairperson, then bawa bahatu kinya bahatu twina kiama ketu no nta Mount Kenya ina biama kithumba lakini ugethera antu the leadership betu baraba umete Meru they always runs weta kire biama bira binara west na batiete biama bio byantura.
But you see Frank thai rwari rio ni kwithwa twina ciama bikai binene. For example, kiama kia UDA nikikwenda ciama bira bingi bithira bikimanji kinya bikuma kire UDA ba Fon Kenya bau ba ANC kia Kingi kinya bithira bikuma kenda twithwa kwina biama at least strong for international picture,
For what? The more we need the importance of having political parties. But itu vatereko itu do na biama nyangiri. Kinyang ibia do biama nyangiri dan. Anto ibarombe muntu na rombe kura na kira kwenda. That is democracy. Let us not kill the democracy of this Kenya to chokara to arena one party state. Kano. Kila muntu era watingiza kindole. Toke aweta that line because dirigare kwa me ikanu reku my friend ikanu ondriem na kanu baba iki ondriem Musalia Mudavadi kanu Wetangula kanu Raila kanu Ruto kanu Orengo baba bonde bane anto bakanu ba no me moi nare kiro ye kia uma moi ere kanu igatha miaka eana no me kanu ne kwa miaka eana. We want people like President Boko oratare wa Botswana. We want such people in this nation now that Kenya is suffering. And let me tell you, Martin, the truth, and our people will not tell our politicians the truth. I want to tell our leaders they have done it very well. John Paul has done very well for the last 7 years. Mheshimiwa Taitum, he has done very well to miaka tuwaiku na appreciate a number of agenda. Mporo abori na arikuo, he has done very well na nethiri to haivoko na sauti ya Meru. All these are MPs betu ibethiri to wathithiti very well. But I want to tell them, umenye bakaka mata mudharaba oteyo for no apparent reason. The undra ba gwe kugetekyo. So they have performed very well. Me, I am a serious supporter of Honorable John Mwirigi Paul. I am a serious supporter of Ndani Lekarido. I am a serious supporter of Julius Taintum to our neighbor. Because of what they are trying to do. Na kinyokarania. But I am telling you the truth, Bwana Martin, and I want them to hear, and they hear from me. One day, kundika Meru ni undron, na to viorongete Meru yondo te oto te kuibwa. No menyanto abe to bana ibo papu inkoro na mwiri. Ba ikwe kugeteke
o. Ogwera munene okuo.
What should I tell them?
Mporo abori.
abori aitie manto aitie kinya aitie utuko na muthenya kira ikirori Meru utebia atitie na inya akiringa yes no aringa akimenya aringira finance bill na aringa kinye kwenga na aringa buru na akimenya na tukiaratia. But I want to tell you the truth. These people, they have worked ibachiometie akina mutunga ibachiometie nte korea, but what they are doing bare thithia kiuta tinabora wananchi bobera. But yani, they are the voice of the Meru people. They are the voice of... They went there to...
So, mantu yayo they kiama kikaoria kana.
They went to represent us. The remedy. The only remedy. Ere karindri mwanto babetu. One. Kende kiate thie. Merue development cheye bora ibatere. Boyeli. Anto betu bembe. Na tiania. Na bori. Barabonete. Ere wetu... I want to tell you, Martin, kinya wamba ng'ombe bwana political ngundi wini. Na ate ng'ombe chiomba kuiyo, na ate amba bomba kuiya ng'ombe egembe North by Tasio, egembe Imenti South, na ndrisi na county commissioner na MP wa Imenti South. Na kuibwa anto bake ibetere boro anto bembe kwa tuka ng'ombe ite ona nyamuberio. Na ate ng'ombe chiomba kuuma, egembe North. Iya eta Turukana. Our neighbors. Kwena county
ng'ombe chijiro cheta South Imenti.
Arekan kwaya na an example that utebu wamba boba kuthithika egembe na baba athithe na either ba South Imenti na kutuika the leadership wa South Imenti yothe DCC county commissioner DCI bate kwelewa utebu ng'ombe chia Meru chi tokuya wantuko chionthe ikena mera Isiolo na county commissioner wa Isiolo atekomenya, the governor wa Isiolo atekomenya, Ozamburu atekomenya, Opogoti atekomenya, na anto bakoya bakworo wantuko yeri ithato inya ithano anto beto baikwa every day. Now the remedy yotethi atongeria babetu bonthe ba Meru is one unit of purpose. Bakaranie na deputy president abaretere bira bikubwa kutethia anto bara boroi compensation ng'ombe chietu ichoke kana torero inge thirikari na wamba bobothire once and for all. Acha tu now oraga chagwara urite nchobie kathira completely po karatino gethe imba yeri kururwa kindeke na ure wamba ng'ombe completely bothire na mathina ya miunda ya mianke thara kana Meru toe mwana omwe, and by doing that akareta remend kiri our leaders. Lakini toke awete rautu wete rite mwana Martin na manto yakaendelea wora ya kari na yakare o chenche kinya kanini bwana Martin manto yagetho ya thuki Meru.
But nende bwana Karuti, you see ukiwa governor wa Isiolo na akiri, county commissioner wa Isiolo na akiri, wa Samburu na akiri, kinya governor wenu Meru atariria manto ya wamba bwa ng'ombe.
Orate governor.
What do you mean?
Orate bwa governor Meru. Kato atete bwana Martin anto ba Meru ba atirie bakachua na mudharaba na Biblia na kulita anto mbiro. That was hypocrisy. Bwana Martin uteuomba kwithira we governor wa Meru. Governor wa Meru. Anto ba embe bakarathwa. Tibele tiba thato tiba na tiba tano, more than 20 people barabathiki na governor wa Meru atona kiti. Kamo o awa nkoromere thanduko the office of the governor kana the Meru county government ekoroma na bo na nekuria the remedy ya utethi anto babetu bakuona thina inai. The other day anto betu boro wa mwankene arima anto amiunda, I have never seen her. Twena prominent people dying in this county. Mbera, where have you seen him?
Netre
na mone na mathiko ene ya moya mutono ina siwi mathako ameka na no just one barrio ndene ya Meru. Those other things
well, netre kuomboleza na family ya the late Kaliunga before bere babu bamberi yako muchokola, and then tutachokodha Madam Kawira Mwangaza. Injira chia we ki amina jira chia we ni mboru mantu yarathithagia